Hey there, today we're diving into the fascinating world of stress and how our bodies respond. Think of it as your internal superhero team spring into action when things get tough. When psychological stress hits, it can throw a delicate balance off, leading to what scientists call dysregulation of the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, fancy word for a complex command center that manages our stress response. This axis, along with the sympathetic adrenal medullary axis, the body's rapid response squad activates the sympathetic nervous system, giving you that fight or flight feeling. But it's not just your brain telling your body to gear up. Peripheral nervous system and immune system get involved too. They communicate through messengers called neuropeptides and inflammatory mediators. Think of them as tiny text messages that tell your body how to react. Sometimes this communication gets a little out of whack, meaning a neurotransmitter imbalances that can cause affective emotional and cognitive disturbances, like mood swings and trouble focusing. One key player in this drama is cytokines secretion, with molecules like interleukin 6, interleukin 1, and interferon Y stepping into the stage. These cytokines act like alarm bells, signaling inflammation and activating immune cells such as lymphocytes, macrophages, and mast cells. These immune cells release more cytokines on inflammatory media like tumor necrosis factor and C-reactive protein, which can sometimes contribute to inflammatory diseases if left unchecked. Meanwhile, your neuroendocrine system, including hormones like corticosteroid-releasing hormone and melanocortin-derived adrenocorticotropic hormone, steps in to help regulate your response. These hormones stimulate the production of corticosteroids, your body's natural anti-inflammatory agents, along with endorphins and enkephalins, which are your body's built-in painkillers and mood boosters. Now, let's not forget about neurotransmitters like serotonin, GABA, norepinephrine, and adrenaline, all crucial in mood regulation, arousal, and the stress response. Serotonin, for example, helps keep your mood balanced, but during stress, levels can fluctuate, affecting emotional regulation and emotional clarity. This can lead to challenges like alexithymia, difficulty identifying and describing feelings, which makes communicating emotions a bit tricky. Physiologically, stress triggers changes in blood circulation via autonomic nerves, influencing heart rate, blood pressure, and overall energy levels. The blood-brain barrier usually shields your brain from peripheral immune signals, but during intense stress, cytokines like quinine and quinolanic acid can foster and influence brain chemistry, contributing to mood and cognitive disturbances. On the behavioral side, stress impacts goal-directed behavior, motivation, and emotional regulation, often leading to overactivation of the HPA axis and sympathetic nervous activity. This overdrive can increase pro-inflammatory cytokines and activate immune cells like dendritic cells and T lymphocytes, which further perpetuate the inflammatory response. In summary, stress sets off a complex cascade involving neuroendocrine, nervous, and immune systems, all talking to each other through a web of neuropeptides, hormones, and cytokines. While this intricate system helps us respond to challenges, chronic activation can lead to inflammation and health issues. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember your body's constantly working behind the scenes to keep everything in check, even if it sometimes feels like a wild symphony of signals.